Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am collabing with my son,
King Martin,
and we are making cookies and cream pound cake. Stay tuned. For my ingredients, everything is room temperature. I have eggs, butter, cream cheese, vanilla, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cookies.
if you're a kid, ask help from a grown-up. We decided to use brown butter.
If you use that, make sure it comes to room temperature.
Now we're gonna add in our sugar.
Using brown butter is completely optional. Whichever butter you do choose to use, make sure you cream it till it's light and fluffy with your sugar.
We're gonna add in our vanilla.
And for an extra kick, we're adding in a little bit of chocolate extract.
Turn your mixer down to a slower speed.
And add in your eggs one at a time until each yolk breaks. This part is crucial. You don't want to overmix and you don't want to mix too fast.
Now we are gonna add in our dry ingredients.
You always start with your flour and end with your flour. Adding in our block of cream cheese, and then we're going to follow that up with some more flour. You want to make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl down to make sure all your ingredients are fully incorporated.
You can use a rolling pin or something else to crush up your sandwich cookies. Here we go, they are all crushed up. Add it into your cake batter.
And stir with the spatula by hand. You don't have to turn your mixer back on if you don't want to, because then you'll overmix your batter. This is our baking pan that we're going to use. We use some baking spray. You can use Baker's Joy or Pam baking spray. Spoon all your batter evenly into the baking pan and then tap your baking pan on the countertop to get all the bubbles out. The cake is going to bake in the oven at the temperature of 325 for about an hour and a half to maybe an hour and 45 minutes. It depends on what kind of oven you have. You can use a toothpick to check to make sure it's finished.
If you're a kid, ask a grown-up for help.
Alright, after your cake is fully cooled, now you can glaze it. We're using a cream cheese glaze, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of the extra cookies that we have left over. If you made it to the end of the video, congratulations. Thank you for joining me
And King Martin.
We hope that you come back, subscribe, like, comment, share. His channel will be linked down below. Shalom.
Hello.